Hello student, good morning to all of you. Student, today I will discuss your some exercises of chapter number 3. Student, in the previous class I have discussed some exercise of chapter number 3. Your chapter number 3 is safety and first aid. So student, get ready to write down the question answer in your homework copy and as well as in your fair copy. Okay student, you can write down direct in your fair copy, but write down very neat and clean. Okay student, now ready? Take pencils, pens, eraser, sharpener and your fair copy. Okay student, so ready? Class 5th. Subject Science. Today's topic is exercise of chapter number 3. Chapter number 3 is safety and first aid. And what is date today? 7th of August 2020. Okay. So student, now I am going to take the test book also. Okay. And student, I have completed the point number 1, 2 and 3, and today I will start the match the column of page number 36. Page number 36. Student, don't write in your fair copy or in homework copy. You will write down direct in your book with help of the pencil. So, write down very carefully what is the answer. Match the following columns. 4. Match the following COLUMNS. So I will write down only answer. Answer number first, answer number second, answer number third, answer number fourth, and answer number fifth. Okay. So right, I am going to read the column A. A crack is in bone. A crack in bone. That is called what student? Snake bite no, dog bite no, severe burn no, foot of fire no, fracture. So first is E. Okay. Write down with the help of pencil. Write down only 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And okay. After the column number B, write down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And what is the answer? Write down in the front of the numbers. Okay. First E. Nervous system. Nervous system. A. Snake bite, dog bite, severe burn, foot of fire no, fracture no. Nervous system affected by snake bite. Write down snake bite. A. Rabies. Rabies due to caused by the dog bite. Dog bite. B. Write down B. Blister. It is generally are done in severe burn. C. E, A, B, C. And fire extinguisher is, what is this? It is used for puts of fire. B. Puts of fire. B. Now define the following term in one word. Okay, student, don't write it in your homework copy or fail copy. Okay, you will write down in the textbook with the help of pencil. Don't use the pen. Okay. So, student, I am going to read the question number 1 of section number 5. A twist in the joints of the ankle or the wrist. What is the situation? This is called sprain. It is called first sprain. Only one word. Sprain. Second, a strip of rigid material used for supporting and immobilize a broken bone. A strip generally are bind around the fractured area. This is called splint. S-P-L-I-N-T. S-P-L-I-N-T. Splint. This is given in page number 34. Sling is a triangular cloth and splint is a hard band. For supporting means rigid material used for supporting below the fracture area. Third, the immediate help provided to an injured person before the arrival of proper medical aid, that is called first aid. First aid. But you should try to learn all the definition. This is the practice for one word, for filling the blanks, for match the columns. So try to learn all the sentences. And fourth, a tight bandage that helps to apply pressure to stop bleeding. Student, this is called tourniquet. Tourni. Tourniquet. Tourniquet. It causes pressure on the cutted part to stop the bleeding. It's called tourniquet. This is tight bandage. Write down, student, answer. Match the column. Define the following in one word. This is the definition and what is the one word for that particular sentences. So learn this. Only 4 one word are given in your chapter number 3rd. So learn it, student. Okay. Now I am going to erase this. Hope you are write down in your book. Now give short answer. 6. Give short answer. I will give you a photo of short question. Okay, you will write down. If you have not purchased the textbook of science, then otherwise you will write down direct from your textbook. Okay, I am not known about how many students are not purchasing the science book. Okay, but I am not going to write down the question. Okay, I will give the photo, but write down the answer. But you will write down the question also in your fair copy. Question is, what is the main cause of fire? What is the main cause of fire? Student, fire are generally occurred in the kitchen area and in the electrical gadgets. So write down the main cause of fire occurred in. Write down. Main cause of fire occur while working in kitchen, in the kitchen, or while using electric gadgets. Electric gadgets, also called appliances. Question answer number 1. Write down, student. You will fair copy. Question answer number 2. Write down the question. I am going to read the question 2. What type of clothes should be worn in the kitchen? Student, you know, nylon catch fire easily and cotton is suitable for wearing in the kitchen. So student, write down the answer. Cotton type of clothes. Cotton type of clothes should be worn, should be WORN, worn in the kitchen. What type of? This is the way of write down the question answer in your copy. Draw a underline below the answer, each answer. Okay? This time with the black pen. Question answer number 3. How should a chemical burn be treated? How should a chemical burn be treated? Student, write down answer. A chemical burn should should be treated with plenty of water. PLANE plenty of water. I hope student you are all will be write down. Now I am going to erase question number 1, answer number 1. Question number 4. Answer number 4. Question is, which disease can be caused by a cat or dog bite? It should be very easy. Rabies. Write down rabies. RABIE. Rabies disease can be DISEAS disease can be caused by a cat or a dog bite. In examination you can write down only very small words. Rabies disease, cotton type clothes, by using plenty of water. Okay, very short answer. Write down student. Now I am going to erase question number 2. This is the underline below the answer. Question answer number 3. Question is, how is a sprain identified? Student, you know that sprain are generally found in the joint area, generally in the ankle, in the wrist area. What is symptoms? Swelling, darkening of the affected part, swelling and pain. These are the generally symptoms of the sprain. So write down the answer. The answer is swelling, and pain. Swelling and pain around the affected joint. Around the affected joint. AFFECTE, affected joint. Any joint. Affected joint are the main identification of a sprain. Write down, student. We'll start question answer. I am going to erase question answer number 3 and 4. Write down Ravi's and then add the question. Point number 7. What is question? Answer the following question. Answer the following questions. This is generally long type, 15 to 20 words. Okay, students, write down the question and answer. Question number 1. You will write down the question in your copy. I am going to read this. What should be done in case a person's clothing catches fire? When any person's clothes catches fire, first of all, roll up on the ground or put around a blanket or rug on the person. So write down the answer. What should be done in case of a person's clothing catches fire? Write down answer. Roll on the ground. Roll on the ground or rolling up blanket or a rug rug. Should be done in case a person clothes catches fire. CAT catches fire. Rolling on the ground or rolling up blanket or a rug should be done in a case of person clothes catch fire. You can write down in various ways of this question. You can write down the answer by various ways. In clothes catches, if clothes catches fire, roll on the ground or the rolling of a blanket or a rug should be done in case of person clothes catches fire. Okay student, now write down today's homework. This is too much, time is going over. Homework. Science. Write notebook. Write exercises of chapter number 3rd, means very short and one long, in your notebook copy and learn it. Okay student, write down the homework and the next question I will discuss in your next online classes. Okay student, you are all completed your copy and your book. Okay, thank you student, have a nice day. Thank you.